let's focus in a bit about what you can do within each specific channel. So in the main chat channel here, the first thing you'll notice at the top of the screen is the description. Each channel will have a description and will help you understand what's supposed to be posted in that channel. For posting general messages, you just add a message into the chat box at the bottom. You can also hover over someone's existing message and either A, react, reply, or create a thread based on that message. We'll cover threads a bit more later, but if you want to add to someone's existing reaction, you just click there. If you want to add your own reaction, you go in here and click your own reaction. Or if you want to reply to someone's message, you click reply, and this will notify them with a notification in their channel once you reply. Other ways to get people's attention is to use the @ sign. So say I had a question for Nico. What I could do is I could add Nico, just like that, click his name, notice it's in blue, and type my question. Another cool thing that you can do is if you go to a specific channel, you can do this in any channel, you can add people with that role. So if you want to add everyone with the green hydrogen role and get their attention and post something cool and send them all a notification, you can do @green hydrogen. And if you really have something important to say in any channel, you can go here and add everyone. Adding everyone will give everybody a message and everybody a notification that you have posted something. And let's say you just wanted to get the attention of the core team or the admins. What you could do is you could go to suggestions and questions, as you'll see the description up here, and you could add the admins. What this will do is notify the team members that there's something that you need attention with, and we'll do our best to help you out. If you want to point someone to a specific channel, what you can do is use a hashtag. A hashtag will let you post any specific channel, and when you post it, as Sophie did here, people can go to that message, click on it, and it'll bring them directly to that channel, in this case the introductions channel. If we go back to the main chat, the last cool thing that you can do is at the top here. You can see any existing threads that have been posted in this channel and any pinned messages. Pinned messages are stuff by the team that they think is important, and it's easy for a lot of stuff to get lost, so you can check your pinned messages there. And you can also manage your notifications for this channel. If you don't want it to beep, you can mute it, or you can set your notification settings there. The last thing to point out is at the top of the screen you'll see a few icons. Pinned messages will show anything pinned by the team. Threads will show any existing threads within this channel, and notification settings can be set here. Next, we'll cover one of the best features of Discord, the search function. So say you haven't been in the server a while and you just want to see, what messages a certain user has posted. If you click in the search bar, you'll see this from. If you click from and you type in a user in the server, in this case Luis Morales, you can look and it'll pop up based on each channel, everything that Luis has posted recently. Additionally, if you just want to search for a specific topic, say solar in this case, you can search solar, press enter, and it'll show every time that solar has been mentioned in the server.